Hello, welcome to Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If you haven't subscribed yet, or this is your first time watching one of our videos, welcome. Please click right now on the subscribe icon and activate the ring so you never miss our future video uploads. You can also connect with us on our social media platforms. We are on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Just type Lingala Academy. Lingala Academy. You can also add us on Snapchat by typing The Love Gracias. The Love Gracias. DELOVEGRATIAS. Make sure you ring the bell and your page looks like this so you don't miss out and you get the notifications whenever we put a new video. Hi guys, this is the second lesson on body part names in Lingala. If you want to watch the first video, you can pause this video and click on the upper right corner of your screen. That will take you to the first video. Then you can come back to continue this video. If you like this video and the work that we're doing, make sure you hit the like button and you share the video with your friends, family, and anyone you would like to learn Lingala with. Also comment below that you support the channel. That will keep us moving. That will keep us bringing you more video. Also, when you put many likes, that lets the video be shown by YouTube to many people as possible. Thank you for that. Today we're starting with vein. Vein in Lingala means mosisa. Mosisa is singular and plural is misisa. Misisa. Blood. Blood in Lingala is makila. Makila. Makila nangai means my blood. Makila nangai, my blood. And if someone says ozali makila nangai, ozali makila nangai, or oza makila nangai, that means you my blood, or you are my blood. Breast. Breast is libele. Libele, singular. Plural is mabele. Mabele. Breastfeeding means komelisa libele. Komelisa libele or komelisa mabele. Skin. Skin is poso. Poso. Or you can call it loposo. Loposo. Plural is baposo. Baposo. Or baloposo. Baloposo. My skin means poso nangai or loposo nangai. Sorry guys, sorry for laughing. This is the funny one. That's why I'm laughing. Hand palm is normally called licata. Licata in singular, and its plural is makata. Makata. But don't use these two words in public because they're rarely understood as hand palm. Because in Congolese culture, people are ashamed of saying some word, and they use liboko, which is harm, to refer to likata, which is hand palm. And I received a couple emails from people asking me to make a video about bad word. I didn't like that, but here you have one. Here is one of it. Even though I didn't like to make a video of it because of the respect I have to many of my followers or subscribers. So this is one of them. This is a bad word in Congolese culture. Likata means a dick or penis. So don't use it in public. If you want to use hand palm, just use liboko. And make sure you show what you're talking about. Alright. Finger. Finger is mosapi. Mosapi. That's singular. Plural, misapi. And 5 fingers means misapi mitano. Mitano means 5. Misapi mitano. Nazali na misapi mitano means I have 5 fingers. One rib in Lingala means mopanzi. Mopanzi. Or panzi. Panzi. You don't pronounce this M word. Panzi. You don't pronounce M. Just panzi. Panzi. Mopanzi or panzi. And plural or ribs are mipanzi. Mipanzi. Or bapanzi. You add ba here. Bapanzi. Or mipanzi. Bone. Bone is mokuwa. Mokuwa. Singular. Bones or plural mikuwa. Mikuwa. Foot. Etambe. Etambe. Feet. Matambe. Matambe. Knee in singular means libolongo. Libolongo. Knees or plural mabolongo. 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 To kneel down means kofukama. Kofukama or kobuka mabolongo na se. Kobuka mabolongo na se. Ankle. Ankle is likaka. Likaka. Plural is makaka. Makaka. Hill. Hill is etindi. Etindi. That's singular. Plural, matindi. 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 Thigh. Thigh is ebelo. Ebelo. Or mopende. Mopende. A lot of people just use mopende instead of ebelo. Ebelo is like old Lingala. And plural is mipende. Mipende. Sexy thigh means mipende kitoko. Mipende kitoko. Leg. Leg is lokolo. Lokolo. But many Quinoa are people from Kinshasa. People who are from Kinshasa are called Quinoa. Quinoa use likolo. So you will hear likolo a lot. Likolo is the same thing as lokolo. That's quinoa's Lingala. And plural is makolo. Makolo. The expression landa lokolo means follow the step. And olandi likolo ya mabe means you learned a bad example or a bad behavior. Olandi lokolo ya mabe. And olandi lokolo ya malamu or landa lokolo ya malamu means you learned a good behavior or a good example. Waist, waist or hip means loketo. Loketo moke means small waist. Motolu. Motolu singular means never. And plural is mitolu. Mitolu. Hey, hey. Mamma mia. All right. Bat. Bat is lisoko. Lisoko. Or litaku. Litaku. That's singular. Litaku is one. Two, mataku. Mataku. Or masoko. Masoko. That's plural. Masoko minene means big bat. Big bat. Masoko minene. Masoko mike. Masoko mike means small bat. If someone says ozali or oza na masoko mike means you have small bat. Ozali na masoko minene, you have big bat. And the verb kodenda. Kodenda means to lame or to swing your butt. You know, like when African women walk or black women walk, they try to swing their butt left and right. It's called kodenda. Kodenda. Nell. Nell means linzaka. Linzaka. singular. Plural or nails are called manzaka. Manzaka. And the expression manzaka mankoi. Manzaka mankoi means toughness, or lion nails. Lion nails. Clitoris is esongo. Esongo. Pubic hair. Pubic hair is kunza. Kunza. Singular. Plural makunza. Makunza. Lung. Lung is mopululu. Mopululu. Liver in singular is libae. Libae. Plural mabae. Mabae. Stomach. Stomach is called likundu. Likundu. Note that likundu also means witchcraft or bad heart. The expression motema likundu or motema mabe means bad heart or jealous or jealousy. Gat or singular is motopo or mosopo. Mochopo or mosopo. Gat or plural is michopo. 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 Kidney is lopico. 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 Kidney. Penis. Penis is soka. Soka or likata. Likata. And it's also called goro. Goro. And youth call it bo. Bo. Goro or bo. Both are slangs. Soka, likata, goro, or bo. That's singular. Plural makata. Makata. I think I will make a video about some slangs in Lingala. So if you want me to make a video about slangs, write down on the comment section slangs. If I get 30 people or 20, I will make that video. Note that in Lingala, to pee or to urinate is called kosuba. It's also a verb. Kosuba. Pee or urine alone is called masuba. Masuba. Vagina. Vagina in Lingala is libolo. Libolo, that's singular. Plural, mabolo. Mabolo. And you will hear some people saying libolo na yo or libolo ya mama na yo. That's an insult. Libolo na yo means it's like saying your vagina, but it's an insult. In English, I don't see an equivalent word for that, but it's something like fuck you, but don't use it. Don't use it. If you use that, people will get mad. They will fight you. They will beat you. Don't use that, because it's like you insulting their mother. And in African culture, we consider our mothers more than anything. So if you want to fight someone to fight you, just try to insult them. Libolo ya mama na yo. They will come after you. Definitely. I guarantee you. Anus or asshole is called lifuni. Lifuni. Or mosomba. Mosomba. That's singular. Plural is called mafuni. Mafuni. And oza lifuni means you a asshole. That's an insult. Oza lifuni. In Lingala, the verb to shit means kosumba. Kosumba. And shit alone means nyei. Kosumba means to shit or to poop. Shit means nyei. Helbo. Helbo means moloku. 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 Wrist. Wrist is called kingo ya liboko or kingo ya loboko. Kingo ya loboko or kingo ya liboko for Quinoa or people from Kinshasa. Armpit. Armpit means lisasamba. Lisasamba. Plural, lisasamba is singular. Plural is masasamba. Masasamba. Note that mapeka solo means you have a smelly or stinky armpit. Eyelashes means mokongia. Mokongia. Eyelashes. Testicle in singular is called lipumbu. Lipumbu. Or it's called libindi. Libindi. In plural, it's called mapumbu. Mapumbu. It's also called mabindi. Mabindi. People use this a lot. Mabindi. This is the end of this video. If you like it, please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. This is the end of this video. If you like it and you like the work that we're doing, please hit the like button, share this video with your friend, family, and anyone you want to learn Lingala with. Also, comment below to show your love and support to keep us motivated to bring you more quality lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the ring so we send you all the notifications whenever we upload a new lesson. And make sure you also add us on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, because we also send notifications there, and we send some stuff that you guys cannot find here on YouTube. If you want to support us financially to buy new equipment to bring you more quality lessons, you can donate on paypal.com/Lingala Academy, or you can also donate on patreon.com/Lingala Academy. Thank you and see you next time. Also subscribe to my comedy channel, De Love Gracias, on YouTube, so you can watch the comedy that we already made, laugh, and learn Lingala. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat by typing De Love Gracias. De Love Gracias. Have fun. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please comment and share this video with your friends and your family. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any future video. If you have any question, please comment below or send us a message on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter by typing Lingala Academy. Lingala Academy. You can also follow us on Snapchat by typing De Love Gracias. De Love Gracias. Thank you and see you next time.